our 220 voltage Pancake and Crepe maker. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have 21 3/4 inches. Depth, 23 3/4 inches. And resting on legs, 4 1/4 inches tall. The cook area, we have at least 19 3/4 inches in radius. Included will be your accessories, spatula, and everything else shown here. On-off switch, indicator, and temperature control. Wiring that will require modification. Our 220 voltage Pancake and Crepe maker. For all questions, give us a call and visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for information on this product. Thank you.